Today I'm recreating this video that I saw, which has prison pizza. So these are the ingredients. First thing she does is she smash the onion rings. So she takes out some because she said that you don't need the whole thing. So we're just gonna put some to the side. I should have grabbed a plate. Okay. So I'm gonna smash this. So the next thing she does is she adds sardine crackers to the bag. And add them all on. And then she smashes them again. We already have our pressed sardine crackers and onion rings. So she adds some water to it, not that much because you gotta make dough. So that should be enough. Okay, so the next thing she does, she rolls it out. I'm gonna do that and make it flat. So we're using this marinara sauce to make it flat. We're back. I just had technical difficulties with my arms because apparently I need to lift more. So I'm gonna add some pizza sauce. Same difference, right? Look at this. Choo choo. Look. She said it's not supposed to look pretty. So there we go. It's not supposed to look pretty. Let's just cover it all up. This actually looks like pizza. I am shook. Okay, so the next we're gonna put this away. The next thing she does is she has jalapeno cheese. We couldn't find no jalapeno cheese. Well, I didn't look for it. So I'm gonna put this. Ooh, this looks nasty. Okay. So the next thing she does, she adds some pepperoni. So I'm gonna add some pepperoni. My phone stopped working. So yeah, my phone stopped working. So I'm just gonna do it off memory. Here you go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's enough. The next thing she does, I'm not sure what she does, but she adds some pickles. So I already diced them because, you know, I'm not in prison, so I already did that. The next thing she does is some jalapeno. Honestly, it don't look bad. So I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna make my little brother eat it. So this is the final product. And yeah. So I'm gonna make my little brother try this. Look how it looks. Yummy. Okay, let me see your face. Try this prison pizza. Can you cut it? Will you do this on a regular?
Nope.
Let me see. Okay, take a piece. Let me see. Just take one shot. Oh, okay. That's
You don't like it?
Don't like me, my Gucci shoes. I'll buy you that personally if you show me